Thank you for taking the time to review my professional portfolio. I will briefly go over each assignment completed over the duration of this course. I decided to separate my biography from my assignments completed to avoid having a lot on one page. So this is my overview page, and this will lead you to my portfolio. So starting with the digital tool presentation, I had a great time working in collaboration with two amazing ladies. We were given the tool Visme to explore and present all of its features. I have a brief slideshow, I guess, preview, but this will actually take you to the presentation. This is my first time ever hearing about Visme, but it has now become one of my go-to presentation tools. I plan to utilize Visme during my professional career since it creates beautiful presentations without the skill of a seasoned PowerPoint user. And next we'll take a look at the tease video. I found the tease assignment to have been one of my favorite assignments in this course because it allowed me to use skills I don't get to use often and incorporate various forms of media into one video. The tease method is one I will keep in the back of my mind forever because it forces you to at least try to accommodate everyone. Um, Everyone learns differently and have different interests and different ways they're engaged. So the tease method really forced me to think of ways to engage different people and different types of humor that would allow someone to keep watching a video or remain engaged. Every viewer is different, and the tease method can aid to address students or professionals with different learning experiences. For the digital tools for creation assignment, a tool I chose to create a tutorial for Google Docs, a tool I'm familiar with, but is also used frequently by professionals. This assignment gave me the opportunity to evaluate the appropriate use of technologies as instructional tools. I will continue to use Google Docs as a tool that allows for collaboration between a group of people. Google Docs is amazing because you don't have to be in the same room, but you can continue editing, have discussions all within the computer. This assignment was really exciting because I have experience explaining now technology from a previous job. So this tutorial felt like it was a second nature thing. Lastly, I have my completed unit plan that I plan to use in the future. This plan was hypothetically centered around volunteer lead training. The unit of instruction was created utilizing the backward design method, a method that I will use in both my professional career and daily life. So the backward design method forced me to see what the bigger picture would be as far as the goal of my unit plan and work backwards in figuring out how will we actually get there. So following this link will take you to the unit plan. And this was also another one of my favorite assignments because I've always grown up seeing this like unit plans within my teacher's, desk and everything, but actually getting to make one was pretty cool. So thank you for taking the time to review my portfolio. I also added a resources page just to share some of my favorite resources that I used during the course. And I wanted to share them because truthfully they can be applied to a professional point of view, but also can be utilized throughout your daily life and just ways to think outside the box professionally, but also as a person. Thank you.